Just coming back ready to plug my car in and charge it up. And I have the Siemens car charging port here for my home. It's hardwired in. I hardwired it in. You can also get it with a plug. This thing has been fantastic. It works great. I love the fact that you can set it for time delay, so up to 8-hour time delay on it. And that's been a really great feature as well. So a lot of times the electrical rates are cheaper in the middle of the night, so I can set it to where when I plug it in, then it delays until the middle of the night when the electrical rates are cheaper. It also has a setting in here to where I can change the amount of voltage that goes to the car to be able to cater to what my car wants and the battery charging I want. I love this thing, and I know you will too.
Let's see it in action. It's got a nice long line to it as well.
This has a 20-foot charging cord to it. You can always buy another one too if you wanted to auxiliary, but it goes right in. You hear a positive click. And then once the charger kicks in, the charger then has a nice green light that illuminates.
And you know it's working.
A little charging sight comes on, power's on, green light comes on. That means the vehicle's charging.